Experiencing frequent service loss on your Boost mobile phone can be frustrating. Here's how to tackle the most common causes. First, check your SIM card. Power off your phone, remove the SIM, and reinsert it securely. If that doesn't work, test the SIM in another compatible phone to rule out a faulty card. Next, ensure you have adequate coverage. Use the Boost mobile coverage map on their website to identify signal strength in your area. If you're in a weak zone, try moving to a better location or enabling Wi-Fi calling in your phone's settings. Finally, check for network outages. Visit Down Detector or Boost's status page for real-time updates on any ongoing issues. During an outage, restart your device, briefly enable airplane mode, and consider contacting Boost support for potential data refunds. Remember to keep your phone's software updated to maintain compatibility with the network. Boost Mobile operates on a hybrid network, utilizing towers from various carriers like Verizon, AT&T, and Dish Wireless. This can sometimes lead to inconsistencies in service. Boost is actively expanding its own 5G network, aiming for nationwide coverage by 2027. Keep in mind, rural areas may still experience coverage gaps. Also, eSIM technology is being piloted, which will reduce reliance on physical SIM cards and their related issues. If troubleshooting doesn't resolve your service problems, contact Boost support at 1-888-266-7848 for advanced assistance, including potential signal booster recommendations. Staying informed about these network transitions and future trends helps you understand and proactively address potential service interruptions. If problems persist, you might consider exploring alternative carriers or accessories to improve your connectivity.